हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू राहुल स्टूडेंट स्टडी चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इलाहाबाद एंट्रेंस एग्जाम रिजल्ट एंड कट ऑफ लिस्ट ऑफ बीकॉम, बीएससी बायो एंड बीएससी मैथ। टिल नाउ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इलाहाबाद कट ऑफ लिस्ट has been declared of 3 UG program, namely BCom, BSc Bio and BSc Math. Now I'm going to show you on which cutoff, on which marks you will get admission. In previous video I have made a video on how to check your scorecard of various UGAT program, means undergraduate admission test. Okay, so guys, I am going to show you the cutoff list. Let's check, guys. So before, guys, you just subscribe this channel and you can also join my telegram, namely Rahul Prudent Study. You can search Rahul Prudent Study. So please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notification of various universities entrance results and cut-off list and so on. Okay guys, just you can also see this list. I will put the link in description box and also in telegram channel. Now see the cutoff list, guys. Okay guys, I just access the official website of University of Allahabad. Here you can see the list. Okay, now you just tap on admission 2021. Now guys, you can see there are 3 notifications which contain cut-off list of BCom, BSc Bio and BSc Math. Now we will see one by one. First, BCom admission. I just tap on this. Now guys, you can see the notification, Department of Commerce, University of Allahabad. This notification has been published on 7th November 2021. Now first cutoff, who have scored 172 and above marks in UGAT, यानी undergraduate admission test 2021 for all category. Okay, open category है, ठीक है. And next, ST category, for ST category candidates who have scored 78 and above marks in UGAT has been selected for the admission. And for open category and all category who have scored 172 and above in UGAT 2021 entrance, who all selected in admission. Next, cut-off list will publish and take admission who have scored 169 and above marks in UGAT 2021 for all category, means general category you can say, or open category. Okay, for SC category of candidates who have scored 131 and above marks in UGAT 2021. Okay, and ST categories, candidates who have scored 68 only and above in UGAT. You can see guys, now 27 November 2021, another cutoff for OBC category, candidates who have scored 160 and above in UGAT 2021 has been selected for admission. And SC categories, 128 and above marks in UGAT has been selected for admission, and ST 68 and above. Now EWS to 20th November will publish for EWS category 168 and above marks in UGAT has been selected for admission, and OBC category 157 and above marks in UGAT has been selected for admission, and SC category 166 and ST category only 68 and above. You can see guys, there are various cutoff list here. Firstly, admission will start by 25th November on the basis of first cutoff list. Then after, if seat will vacant, then second merit list or cutoff will publish on 26th November, and so on. So thus there are 4 cutoff till now has been announced by Allahabad University for admission in BCom departments. And also there is a note, admission will be strictly on basis of merit and availability of seats. First merit list or cutoff will publish on 25th November. If seat will vacant, then second and third and fourth, whichever seat will remain vacant, then another cutoff list will publish. So guys, congratulations who have scored more than 172 general category, and for OBC 160 and SC 169 and ST 78 and SC 131, not 169, 131. Congratulations to all of you who have scored and in safe cutoff, safe zone. So guys, keep your document ready for the admission counseling. Okay, and EWS category 158 only. So who has scored this cutoff and across the cutoff marks, congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and lastly I just request to all of you, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notification. Okay guys, you can also put your marks and your category who think I am on border. So don't worry, there will publish around 4 cutoff. You can see also the notification, official notification by University of Delhi. So don't worry, keep your document ready and gear up for tech admission, guys. Don't lose your hope. And I am just showing you another program list. Next one, MSc Bio. Now guys, I am going to show you a BSc Bio admission list. Okay, you can see only one merit list, only two cut-off list will publish by 24th November and 25th November. You can take admission against this cut-off. For all category who have scored 187 and above marks in UGAT 2021 has been selected to take admission, guys. Okay, whoever scored 187 and above, congratulations to all of you guys. This is safe score to all of you. Okay, next, for OBC category candidates who have scored 164 and above marks in UGAT 2021 has been selected for admission for OBC category, guys. Okay, and SC category who have scored 142 and above, and for ST category who have scored 102 and above. Okay guys, congratulations to all of you guys. There is no any EWS category cut-off, so EWS category also considered in general category. Okay, so I think EWS category 187 is your safe zone. So guys, who have scored 187 plus for general category, and OBC for 164 and above, and SC 142 and above, and ST 102 and above, who have scored these cut-off and marks, congratulations, you will take admission in an Allahabad University under BSc Bio, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Now I am going to show you another program cut-off list of BSc Math. Okay, you can see notice for BSc Math admission. Now just download it. Okay, you can see latest notification, Departments of Physics. Okay, Department of Allahabad, Prayagraj. Okay, BSc Math admission 2021. Okay, you can see only two cut-off list will publish, and whenever seat will vacant, then another cut-off list will also publish. So for now only two cut-off list will published. Okay, all category who have scored 184 and above in UGAT has been decided to take admission in Allahabad University under BSc Math. Okay, and another cut-off list 174 and above will also taken into consider in admission. Okay, so guys, you can see your score, and whoever above these marks and on these marks, to congratulations to all of you guys, and keep your document ready to take admission, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video will help you, and I also think कि आपको मेरी भाषा समझ में आया होगा. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.